Superheroes?
Power up!
Alright, so we're going to do our vocabulary review and a couple pages of our review packet so that we can retest on Friday for topic 1. Okay? So, you have your materials. You have your binders. You have your color pencils if you need them to color code like we're color coding. I have everything I need on my iPad. So even though you don't see me using different colors digitally, I can change the colors on here. All right, so let's read the first sentence together so we kind of know what we're supposed to do. It says write an addition equation. With your pencil, I want you to underline addition equation. What symbol do I need for an addition equation?
Plus.
Because it's addition, right? So above that, I would like you to write the plus symbol and circle it because we know that that addition equation, that vocabulary is going to tell us that we're adding, right? We're adding. We're joining. We're adding. If we look on our math wall, we see addition. We see the symbol, right? And an equation means we need what? Numbers. We need numbers. So we could also do an addition story so that we can have a true equation, right? So let's say Miss Eastland has 4 blue. Let's say I have 4 blue happy faces.
Happy faces. 4 happy.
Right? So where would this 4 go?
Up there.
Where?
Over there.
Right here?
No.
Right here?
No.
Right here?
No.
Right here?
Yes.
Yes, because that's what I'm starting with, right? 4. Now, I already know that I'm thinking addition, right? Because it asked me for an addition equation.
4.
But let's say that I got, because I had a good day at school, right? So I got 4 happy faces already. Let's say I got 2 more happy faces, right? So, what does the 2 mean? Where do I put that 2 at?
Right here. In the middle.
In the middle. Good word. In the middle. 4 plus 2, right? Because that's what I did, right? I drew 4. Then I had 2 more because I had a really good week, right? And what does it equal?
6.
It equals, let's count. Say 4, 5, 6. Right? So 4 plus 2 equals 6. And do you notice I didn't count over, right? Because I already knew that I had 4. So I'm starting to say 4, 5, 6. If you already know that this group is 4, you do not need to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I mean, you could, but you don't have to. You could say, I know this is 4, so I'm going to count at 4, 5, 6. Does that make sense? That's easy because we're just doing vocabulary, okay? All right, here we go. Number 2. Let's read it together. Say, write a subtraction equation.
I know what is a subtraction.
Show me on your fingers, what does a subtraction symbol look like? Right? It's like, psh. But what does subtraction mean? Minus or what? Take away, right? So if I'm subtracting something, that means it's no more. Right? Do you agree?
Yeah.
For example, let's say I came to school and I had 7 pieces of gum, right? So I had 7 pieces of gum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What does 7 mean? What is 7? It's the first one, but what does 7 mean? My what? My whole, right? 7. That's what I got. I got 7 pieces of gum, right? 7. I'm already thinking subtraction means the takeaway sign because the direction said write a subtraction equation, right? Now, let's say Skylar was good, Ever was good, and Luis was good. So now I don't have 7 pieces anymore. How much did I take away?
3.
3. I took away 3, right? I took away 3. How many pieces of gum do I have left? 4. And once I give that gum away, I can't get it back because if you chew that gum up, it's gone. Make sense? It's gone. So it's not there anymore. Okay? It's not there anymore. So subtraction means we're taking it away. We're taking it away. Right? We're going to take it away. We're going to eat it. When we're adding to, we're putting more in. We're adding to it. That's important that we understand that. And it equals 4. Now, we're going to go over this in the middle because these are how the questions come up. It says circle the difference. 8 minus 2 equals 6. Think about those vocabulary words of parts and that. What would be the difference of 8 minus 2 equals 6? What does difference mean? Of these 3 numbers, 8 minus 2 equals 6. What is the difference? Luis, want to try?
4 plus 2.
Nope. What is the difference? Think of this question right here. 8 minus 2 equals 6. What number does difference represent?
That's tricky.
It is tricky. But it's not tricky if we remember the vocabulary words.
I remember it.
You had it right the first time. Leilani, what does difference represent?
That's something different.
So, in this terms of math, now when we do it in ELA, yes, difference means it's different. If I bring somebody up here, you're going to say, you wear a uniform, I don't have to wear a uniform. My hair is in a ponytail, her hair is in ponytails. But in math, difference means when you're subtracting, the number you come up with is the difference. So I want you to, with your red color pencil, I want you to circle the word difference, and I want you to draw an arrow and a circle to the number 6. Because you need to understand that that word difference means when you're subtracting the answer you come up with. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Okay. Now, circle one part. Circle one part. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Show me on your fingers what number will represent one part. Show me on your fingers. Good. So you can circle one of those. I saw the 5 and the 3. Pick one of those. You're going to circle the word part. You're going to draw an arrow to the part and circle it. Part. You are right. Part plus part equals whole. Part plus part equals whole. Does that make sense? You sure? All right. Now, number 5. Circle the plus sign. Circle the plus sign. I want you to circle plus sign and draw an arrow and circle the plus sign. So if I said, is this a plus sign?
No.
Is this a plus sign?
No.
Is this a plus sign?
No.
This is a plus sign. Yes. So you should circle plus sign, draw an arrow, and circle it. Now, this is what is really important to me.
Oh my gosh.
It says, use vocabulary in writing. That means show your work. Show your work.
Oh my gosh.
So let's read it together. Say, tell
Tell
how to find 8 minus 4. Use at least one word from the word list.
one word from the word list.
So show your work and use one word from the word list.
With a pencil.
Look, let's go over the word list. Let's say add, add in, compare, difference, equals, equation, fewer, minus, more, part, plus, subtract, sum, whole. It said use vocabulary in writing. Could you use and tell me how to find 8 minus 4 using one of these answers?
Nope.
Or using one of these? Jimmy, how would you say that? You want to call for help? Call for help. Pick someone. I see someone with their hand raised. Leilani, how could you say that using this? How would you model that for me?
Because we can see that there's a minus up there.
So, Leilani pointed out it's a minus. So I see that there is a minus. So you technically could use 8 minus 4.
This minus.
What if I said 8 minus 4 equals the difference?
Yeah.
And find the difference. What would the difference be? Work it out. 8 minus 4 equals the difference. Tell me what the difference is. Show me. 8 minus 4 equals the difference. Tell me what the difference is. The difference is what? If 8 minus 4 equals the difference, tell me what the difference is. Do you see how you can use the word list, right? And all I'm asking you is what is the difference? Ever? 4. So if he was to say that, he would say the difference is 4. Now, Ever, how did you figure that out? Huh? You did circles. Can you tell me what your circles look like so I can model it up here? So he drew 8 circles. So let's draw the circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. He minused or took away 4. And the difference is what? 4. Does that make sense? So the word we use, guys, we use difference and minus in this equation, right? Now, 8 will represent what? What number is 8?
4.
8 is my whole. 4 is my what? Part. So we're still going to keep going over that stuff until it's like first nature, okay? Does that make sense? So we get kind of the vocabulary. We're going to add all of these words onto our math vocabulary word. And then I'm also going to make you guys some flashcards with these, and I want you to begin to draw pictures in the center. We'll make a math center that does with that. Is that a deal? Give me a thumbs up if you like it. All right. Now, keeping in mind the vocabulary word, we're going to flip our page, and we are now on page 43, okay? We're on 43. There's a 4 in the tens place and a 3 in the ones place. The paper is also green, and at the top it says reteaching, okay, of mine. You guys says it in the corner right here, and it says reteaching. Do you see it? All right, when you're ready, you'll put your hands on your head, and I will know you're ready, and we're going to go through it today. We're going to have some conversations, and we're going to pretty much review this whole thing and retest on Friday, okay? Got it? So go. All right, you good? You relaxed? Turn your brain on. Zip your lips. Turn your listening ears on. And your eyes are. So this is important. What is this word? You
can
solve problems about adding to. When I hear this word, I want you to underline adding to. What am I thinking? I'm thinking adding. So I'm thinking automatically I'm going to be adding, right? I know this symbol I'm going to use is the adding symbol. Because it's adding to, right? That means I'm putting it together. That's like saying I bought 5 ice creams and then I went to the store and got 3 more. So now I have 8 ice creams, right? I'm adding to. Miss Easton like ice cream, okay? I'm adding 2. Does that make sense? All right. So, what is it telling me?
Three turtles.
So there's 3 turtles. What else?
One joint.
There goes that word joins. What does joins mean? So when I see this word joins, I'm still thinking, yep, I know this, I'm going to add, right? Also, what does the picture help us to understand?
There are 3 turtles and 1 joint.
So the picture matches what the words say. Don't we learn about that in ELA? Right? How authors write, right? So the person who wrote this also thought about that. I need a picture to match what the words are saying. Now, it says 3 turtles, right? Plus, because I'm joining 1 turtle equals 4 turtles. Got it? So we use the word plus and equals. What I want you to do is I want you to try number 1 on your own. And when you have number 1 done, put your hands on your head. Got it?
Easy, boy. This